In today's video, I will show you how to download and run Alientech KTAG KSuite v2.80 EU software for ECU remapping. This version needs no external activation or passwords. This is the latest, most up-to-date version available for Kess, KTAG firmware 5.017 clone tools, and the most stable. Many models online only come with buggy v2.70 China software. This one also includes help files and instructions already downloaded, as well as full protocol activation for KTAG. I have provided a download link to this software in the video description. Please enjoy the video and comment your success smiley face. Download from the link provided in the description. Extract the RIR file to desktop or wherever you want. Install the drivers.
I'm here when you need my voice. I'm here when you need my voice. I'm here when you need my voice.
Run the KSuite application with KTAG or Kess connected, and you are good to go. You can have internet on, it is okay.
I get addicted to the wrong things. You come along searching